just 7 rupees. If you save 7 rupees today, it will become 10,080 rupees in 4 years. If you are in school and about to enter college, or if you are a fresher, then this will be one of the best ways to manage your money in your early career. Imagine your friends are preparing for placements from YouTube videos, which thousands of other students are watching at the same time. And you have your 10,080 rupees by which you can buy a placement code from a reputed institute. And this single move will place you way ahead from your batchmate. Or imagine your college is over. By the time your friends were struggling for placement, you have 10,000 rupees ready in your hands to start your own business, and that will be your unfair advantage. And all this just by saving rupees 7 today. I will explain you the entire map, how and from where you can save, and how it will grow. And for that, I want you to invest your next few minutes in this video and follow the exact steps that I'm going to say. And I promise you will not regret watching this video. So let's dive in. Calculation is quite simple. If you save rupees 7 per day, then it will become rupees 210 in a single month, much less than the cost of your pizza, and will become rupees 2520 in 1 year. If you repeat this for 4 years, then your money will become rupees 10,080 in 4 years. And believe me, having more than 10,000 ready for investment at the age of 21 to 22 without any major struggle is a great advantage. But don't worry, I will guide you in saving that amount too. There are a few conditions. You must have a bank account, but that bank account must not have UPI access enabled, because if it has UPI access, then you can easily spend the money and it will become very much difficult for you to save the money. Now of course, I will not tell you to deposit rupees 7 every day, so you can deposit it on a monthly basis. After saving 210 rupees, you can deposit it, or you can transfer it by any other means. But in the whole process, you must have patience. The amount might feel less today, like rupees 7, rupees 210, but it will become a huge amount one day. Now yes, if you can save more than that amount, you can save it, or if you have any problem with this amount, you can adjust that too. The main purpose of this video is not the amount. It is to explain to you how a small amount of savings on day one can become a large amount one day. As I promised you earlier, I will be guiding you in saving that amount. You can either save it on a daily basis as I instructed, or if you want, you can save it on a weekly basis too. Instead of rupees 7 each day, you can save around rupees 52 per week. Now if you like, you can save it on a monthly basis too. It's entirely your choice. Now here are a few tips which you can follow to save the money. Tip number 1 is you can save that amount by avoiding booking cabs for short distance travel. Just travel on foot. Tip number 2 is, although it's rare for passionate people, but if you are still spending your money on online games, it's time to stop. Instead, save the money and let it grow through saving. Tip number 3 is avoid subscribing to apps you rarely use. And for the apps you do use, must take advantage of the student discount or student subscription plans whenever they are available. Tip number 4 is, I hope you don't, but if you consume alcohol or smoke, then it's time to quit that completely. Instead, save the money for something useful that will benefit you in the future. Tip number 5 is use the found money rule. Like whenever you get any unexpected money, it may be from a gift or refund or your extra pocket money, send it straight to your savings account, or else there are high chances that you will spend it on unnecessary. And that's it. Tasks are very much simple to perform, but the main challenge is having patience. If you have patience, the game is yours, and if not, then it's time to develop that skill. This video is not any kind of financial advice. Its purpose is simply to show you the importance of saving money and how with the time and consistency, even a small amount can grow into something that makes a significant difference just by following few steps. I hope you like this video. See you soon.